Saw, dude. So we're in the desert again. Kevin.
Ole Holmes.
Ole Holmes.
We got the guns.
Beer.
Kevin. Some more guns. Some other stuff.
Sodies.
So, put about a 1.5 pounder underneath
Chair.
this chair right about there. And we're going to blow her up.
I moved some of the rocks, so hopefully it won't.
Shit.
That was fucking tight, dude. Where did it go? It's gone.
Oh my god, that's fucking awesome. Oh shit. I didn't even look up and it was fucking gone. Holy shit.
That was fucking... Got the beater AR out here.
Let me shoot your beater.
Shooting only the finest products known to man. Tula. Let's take a crack inside to see if there's any lube in it. So as you can see, it's not cleaned from last time. And there's no lube on it.
It's pretty dry.
Just beer on
Yeah, we can pour.
Sodies.
Yeah. There's our lube.
America.
Lube.
Light.
It's lube with freedom.
There we go.
Right.
Lube with crisp.
Sodies.
Only 96 calories.
Low carb.
Apparently you're in the right direction, Dave.
Ow, it's fucking hot, dude.
You got your own YouTube channel?
Alright. So Dad's gonna take his 308 over here. And he's gonna mag drop into this engine that we have strategically placed.
Can you record too?
Right here. You gotta fucking hit it, Kevin.
I did.
I don't even think he hit it.
Nice.
Fridge with
You want to move that strap out of the way? It's just going to be a hindrance. Right.
9 pounds in there. Oh yeah, Daddy. Right in the bullseye. Some decorations. I love penis and balls. And there's a penis.
Don't get me in the shot.
Oh God, sex. Love deck. I love it.
Oh my God! Holy shit!